Hi guys, welcome to Vicky's vlog. For this is your personal vlogger. As I already mentioned in my previous episode, today I'll show you the main reason why this place actually got its name as Ambattur. So let's just jump in. So yes guys, I've actually reached the temple. This is the 51st Shakti Peetam and it is dedicated to Lord Vaishnavi Devi. And behind the arch that you see on the background is the entrance to it, and that is a main road. And I'm actually shooting this in the evening, so pardon me not being visible out here. So you just have to take a small left from the main road to enter into it, and I'll just show you how the grass lamps are out here. This is actually a temple dedicated to Lord Goddess Vaishnavi Devi, and it is the 51st out of the 108 Shakti Peetams which is actually available in India. So I'll just go in and I'll show it to you. So hope you enjoy viewing of this particular episode of mine. Yes, if possible I'll take a snap, or else pardon me guys. And this is how the way into the temple would look like. I just pause my video out here and I'll resume once I'm out of this temple, or if I get permission I'll just take it inside. And this is the actual entrance to the temple. Yeah, and just a minute, I just forgot to show one more thing over here. We have a free medical camp running in this temple on every Wednesday and Saturday between 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. for the acupressure treatment. And you can also take a look at it if you want. And yes, coming back, I'm just going into the temple right now. I'll leave my footwear out here. I've come to the temple with my wife, and I just paused my video out here. The reason being that I'm not sure if video and photography is allowed inside the temple. I'll just go make a quick darshan. If possible I'll take some videos or snaps and I'll add it to this vlog. So yes, I've actually completed the darshan, and the thing is that the temple is open between 6:30 a.m. in the morning till 12 noon, and in the evening it's like 5 p.m. to 8. Photography is strictly prohibited inside the temple, and the people inside the temple were actually saying that to me while I tried to take a snap. The main thing is that this temple is actually located from Ambattur and towards at actually Tirumallai Voyal, and this is en route from Ambattur to Avadi. But earlier this particular temple was the Shakti Peetam which was inside Ambattur, but when the state government was demarcating the places, this actually came under Tirumallai Voyal. This is one of the calmest temples you'll actually find, and like you just come in for a seriously great experience out here. And it is built across a vast area, and you actually feel it very relaxing out here when you actually visit this temple. I'll actually try to show the other temples around the Ambattur, which is actually seriously famous. But all I would like to say is safety mukkiyam amichare. The reason being that wear masks when you go out, wear the helmets when you ride bikes, and wear seat belts when you're in cars. Because if you're safe, that is when you can actually help your family being safe. So safety mukkiyam amichare. Actually, this temple is located opposite to the All India Radio at Tirumallai Voyal. Actually, this here has The All India Radio has a particular property out here. From here I'll actually like go to the other places and I'll try to shoot take up my further vlog sessions. So for now the 51st Shakti Peetham is done. Let's see how the other places pan out. Actually, after visiting the Vaishnavi Devi temple, I've actually made my way to a temple dedicated to Lord Pachayamman, and this is actually like it's dedicated to goddess Parvati and Shivan. This is actually en route from Vaishnavi Devi temple to my home. This is one of the most famous temples out here, and make sure of one thing, ask the local people for the route. The main reason being that the left turn from the main road, it's quite narrow and you might actually miss it. And this actually is a famous place for one particular thing. I'll just let you know once I complete my darshan. Actually, I've completed a quick darshan here. The reason for this temple actually getting the name Pachayamman temple is that the Durga goddess who is there inside the temple will be made of green stone, and she's one of the most powerful deities. And the image which actually is present just before this video, right? It's a pretty famous spot for those who have been following Tamil cinema. The main thing being that it was shooting was done for one of the major hit Tamil cinemas. If you guys actually remember the movie called Tillana Moganambal, there is a scene wherein the heroine would be, they would make an attempt to kidnap her, and that particular scene was shot at the same INR statue, near that statue which is actually present in my previous image. So make an attempt to actually visit this particular temple. You'll find it really exhilarating. After completing my darshan at the Pachayamman temple and Vaishnavi Devi temple, I've actually reached the Lenin Nagar Perumal temple. Perumal is obviously the one of the avatars of Lord Vishnu, like the Balaji temple we have at Tirupati. After doing this darshan, right, I'll like give you out the reason for this temple being really famous. Okay, just go in and make a quick darshan and I'll come out. So this temple is actually called Chinna Tirupati. The primary reason being that if you're not able to visit Tirupati, right, you can actually come to this temple and you can actually pray, and it is widely believed that it will actually fulfill whatever your prayers are. In Google, right, you actually search for Chikka Tirupati temple at Ambattur and it will give you the Google map location of it. I'm not attaching the map location, the primary reason being that it might take some wrong turns, and I'm not giving you the route because you might get confused. You can ask the locals here for Lenin Nagar Perumal Koil. Obviously Perumal means it's an avatar of Lord Vishnu, wherein he is of the Lord Balaji avatar. So you can ask any locals here, or Chikka Tirupati temple at Ambattur. Search for it in Google and you will get the directions for it. This is a really great temple wherein you'll actually find it really peaceful. Do come here and take a look. After completing those 3 temples yesterday, right, today I'm going to another set of 3 temples. The reason I'll show you guys. But if you actually are thinking that Ambattur is a lot about temples, right, I'll give you just one small explanation. Chennai, Tamil Nadu is a land of temples, and Chennai, being the capital of Tamil Nadu, has no exceptions. I quote, no exceptions. Chennai has a lot of temples in every area, nook and corner. It's available, and also it would be having equal representations for other religions as well. So I'll just take you to 3 more temples. The reason for me going in the evening with some sunshine, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Join me in. I've reached the Sai Baba temple next. After those temples, the history has it that the owner of a particular land here, right, Sai Baba came in his dream and asked him to build a temple over here. So if you ask me if it's true, right, I would say miracles do happen, but I have not come across one. But yes, people have belief in it. So come on guys, let's take a look at the temple. I've reached the temple. I'll just like go in, make a quick darshan, and I'll be back. I've actually reached the second temple for today, and it is the a temple dedicated to Lord Ayyappan. I'll just show you the reason why I came in the evening, and the reason is this. This is actually Pural Eri, which is one of the major water sources for Chennai. I'll actually take a video from the temple. I'll also show you the temple from the outside as to how it looks. Take a look, guys. The Lord Ayyappa poster that you're able to see on the opposite side, that is the temple. It's a small one, but just take a look, guys. Go inside and take a look. It'll be really awesome. I'll give you the places where the Sai Baba temple and the Ayyappan temple are present. Sai Baba temple is actually located close by to Rakhi Theatre, which is a primary attraction at Ambattur, and the Ayyappan temple is located at Kallikuppam, which is en route from Ambattur to a place called Pural. Ask any person here, they will show you the route. But Ayyappan Koil is easily recognizable. It is there on the main road. Hope you guys are able to find it out when you come here. I've come to the final temple at Ambattur, and this will be the end of this particular episode, right? Okay. So I'll just give you a snap of how the temple is like. I'll speak about it later. Hope you would have actually seen that temple. The one thing which I wanted to state about the temple is that it is actually located in the middle of a park. So you come there, complete your darshan at the Kubera Pallayar temple, followed by your darshan at the Murugan idol. After that, you can take a break over there, and I'll show you the best places to go in Ambattur for your evening snack in the next episode. And most of the area, the places are located near the park, and it has a great history to it. But the reason being that it is something which is 30 years old. The temple, it was recently renovated in 2015-16, I guess, with the Murugan idol being placed recently in the month of December 2020. Recently they completed the Mandala Puja, which actually happened for the 48 days continuous, and that particular day got over in 14th of Jan. And the park has a great history too. We have seen a lot of struggles for people trying to bring something of a change. To be really frank, the government officials wanted to bring in an RTO office at that particular place. But since it is a heavily crowded residential area, the people ran from different offices, spoke with different officers, and they brought about that particular park, which was useful to the residents. I hope you enjoyed this particular episode. And yes, one thing is pending, and that is me giving you the answer for the question I raised in my previous video. What is Virandombal? It means hospitality. The reason I raised it out, you know why? Because as per the lingo of the millennials, there was a beardo who was a sort of a weirdo who wrote somewhere around 3000 years back, Immayul Immai Virundoral, Vanmayul Vanmai Madavar Porai, which means the poorest of person is the one who's not hospitable towards the others. That is, the poorest of person is the one who is not hospitable towards others, and the strongest of person is the one who's able to withstand the deeds of a dumb-witted person or a duffer. By now you should have guessed who's that weirdo, and yes, he is called Thiruvalluvar. I leave you here with the second word that I wanted to teach you guys, which is Kavathu Maidanam. I repeat, it is Kavathu Maidanam. The reason being that this particular place is located close by to the Vaishnavi Devi temple. The reason behind this place being there is Vaishnavi Devi is at a very close proximity to the armed vehicles and ammunitions depot of India. Take a guess as to what it is. Kavathu Maidanam. Do keep a lookout for this space, for this is Vicky's vlog, your personal vlogger. I'll meet you in the next episode, guys.